So we're going to solve this one algebraically and not graphically. And so it's going to be similar to what we did when we had inequalities with rational expressions. But what we're going to do is we're going to think of when does this polynomial, this quadratic, equal 0? So when does x squared minus 2x minus 15, when does it actually equal 0? Well, this factors x minus 5 and x plus 3. And so you get x equals 5 or x equals negative 3. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to draw a number line. Here's 0, here's 5, say, and here's negative 3. And now in this case, notice that it's a less than or equal to. So you can include the negative 3 and the 5. And then we're going to pick a test point in each section and see if it works. So we're going to try maybe negative 4. So we pick a test point, and I'm going to pick negative 4. So I want to know, I'm trying it in this inequality. I want to know if that's less than or equal to 0. Is negative 4 squared minus 2 times negative 4 minus 15 less than or equal to 0? Well, that's 16 plus 8 minus 15. I don't think it's going to be less than or equal to 0 because you're going to get 24. It's going to be positive. So no, this doesn't work. You're getting 24. You're getting 9. 9 is not less than or equal to 0. So no, not that section. All right. Now pick a test point. A number between negative 3 and 5. Maybe I want to pick 0. Now you don't have to use the multiplied out part. You could use the factored part if you want. So you could say x minus 5 times x plus 3, is that less than or equal to 0? Well, if I put 0 in, I'd have negative 5 times 3, which is going to be a negative 15. So yeah, that's less than or equal to 0. So yes, that section works. So just by picking one point, I know whether the whole section between negative 3 and 5, if it works or if it doesn't work. And then finally, I would pick a section, pick a point greater than 5. So maybe I'd pick 6. So if I use the factored form, maybe it's easier. I'll leave that up to you, which way you want to do it. But I'd have 1 times 9. Is that less than or equal to 0? No. Okay, so what sections work? This section right here works, and we're going to write it in interval notation. It's going to be bracket because it has the equal to part this time. It's less than or equal to, right there. And so we include the negative 3, and then all the numbers up to 5. Okay, so that would be the answer for that one.